So, I'll get a little closer. You won't be able to see me, but the wood in that stack is stacked 3 deep, and that stuff's pretty wet. So the stuff over to our right is actually stacked 2 deep, better airflow. Okay, but I don't know why. I've got more wood coming in, so I'm readying. But so I am going to move most of that right here, and away we go. Alright guys, I am done for today, but you get a good idea, and I got a couple more videos coming out. I got to figure out what I have coming here, and yeah. Thanks for coming by, stay tuned, and have a good day. Thanks guys.